Okay, so now we're working up here, working our way towards this major intersection. You can see a mini mall of some sort that has been destroyed. Okay, and that was the intersection here. Let me come back just a little bit. Okay, so this is this major intersection. So that's East 20th and Connecticut Avenue, the intersection they're flying over here. Okay, so they're about right here. Now they're north of this main road for the most part, but you can see the destruction really on both sides of the road. Okay, they've worked their way up a little bit. And I may be just a little bit off, but somewhere in this area. I'm actually going to just zoom out just a little bit so I can get my bearings on where they're at here. Okay, so we can see we're coming up on this intersection. So they're located right about here. So that Faith Baptist Church is right in the path. Looks like St. James United Methodist suffering damage. Okay, so now we've worked up to, I believe, to be a newer building. Obviously in Google Earth it's new construction, but a new building, I don't even know what it is, that has been destroyed. Behind that is the Home Depot. So this here, okay, this is the same view of what they have over there. This was the Home Depot that had gotten destroyed. Okay, now what they're going to do here is they're going to pan around. So I'm going to see if I can pan myself around, because they're going to kind of look up towards the Walmart. This is the Walmart back here. This is a Academy Sports, I believe it is, that has been pinned down there. So let's take a look at that. See what they show. Yeah, didn't really see either one of those out of that footage. So they've kind of moved on. So I'm going to actually move it back around here. And they're just working their way down this area. So they are, again, right in this area. I'm going to zoom back north because they panned up there. You can kind of see the area they're looking at here. And I'm going to rewind it just a little bit. Let's see what they're looking at here. Okay, so we can see those structures here, whether they be apartments, whatever they may be. back there destroyed. Okay, storage, garage of some sort. And now they're kind of working their way this way. And as they continue, now obviously this is more, getting a little more rural, not as many buildings. Still devastation. Complete devastation. Okay. I'm going to rewind here just a little bit. Now, if I was to come back here, rotate this just like so, you're going to see what I believe to be middle school, East Middle School. Okay, and you're going to see that come into view here on the video. Can't tell how much damage it suffered, but it does look like it suffered some damage from the tornado as well. And some more destruction. And that last thing you saw in the video was, I'm not sure what it was, but that was the last structure in the video. Overall, very devastating. Again, my thoughts and prayers go out to all those in Joplin today. And just amazing the destruction this tornado caused.